Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the subject engineering drawing. Today we will discuss only the introduction to civil engineering drawing. It's our topic for today. This is our first week and this is the start of the lecture. You are in first semester and this subject is offered in first semester in the first year. This subject has no prerequisites. I'm your course teacher. My name is Engineer Kamar Zaman. If you have any query regarding to this lecture, you can email me. That is kamar.civil@soot.edu.pk. This course material will be uploaded to the portal, that is portal.soot.edu.pk. You can log into your portal using your email IDs as well as your passwords, and you can download it easily from the portal. Coming towards the introduction to civil engineering drawing, let's see the objectives and course outlines of this subject, that what we will see in this engineering drawing subject. First of all, I want to show you that what is the code for civil engineering drawing. This is CT102. CT102 is the course code for civil engineering drawing that is offered in the Department of Technology, Sarhad University of Science and Information Technology, Peshawar. This subject has one credit hour for theory and 2 credit hour for lab. And again, I'm in the lecturer and I will teach you civil engineering drawing, and my name is Engineer Kamar Zaman. I want to show you that what are the objectives of this course. So there are two objectives of the course. That is, first one is to familiarize the students with civil drawing for geometrical shapes. The first one is to familiarize the students with civil drawing of geometrical shapes. That what are the geometrical shapes that is used in civil engineering drawing. And the second one is drawing standards. That what are the drawing standards which are commonly used in drawing purposes. So these are the two objectives of the course. Now coming towards course outlines. Course outlines are given, and these course outlines will be followed to study our subject, that is engineering drawing. In the introduction topic, we will see that introduction to civil engineering drawing, that what is civil engineering drawing, and a little bit introduction to civil engineering drawing. This other part of the introduction will be drawing instruments and their uses. That what are the drawing instruments and how it can be used. The other topic of the course outline is scale. So in this topic we will cover the types of scales with examples, that what is the scale and what are the types of scales, and we will also see the numerical problems related to the scale. The other part of the scale is numerical problems, which is related to the scales. The third topic of the course outline is dimensioning. So we will also see that what is dimension system and rules for dimensioning. So what is the dimension system? We will also see this one, and the other part of the dimensioning is rules for dimensioning. The third topic of our course outline is geometric construction. So in the geometric construction, we will see the introduction to geometric construction and the numerical problems relevant to geometrical construction. The fourth topic, that is engineering curves. So we will also see the introduction to engineering curve and the types of curves that is used in engineering drawing. The sixth one is view of an object. So we will see the view of an object, that how an object can be shown or viewed in engineering drawing on the sheet or on the plan, paper, or any two-dimension page. So view of an object, there are three views of an object, and as well as we will see the sectional views of an object. So these were the course outlines for a theory, that is one creator. And in the laboratory work and experiments, the course outlines are given. In this laboratory work and experiments, we will perform the following tasks using different instruments. So the first one that we will use is drawing instruments and their uses. So the drawing instruments, that is t square, set square, etc., all will be covered. So the first objective or outline of the laboratory work and experiments will be covered in using drawing instruments for different purposes for different jobs. The other part or topic for laboratory work will be practicing lines, that what are the lines and how can it be drawn, and what are the different lines and where the lines can be used for different purposes, that is, for example, thick chain line, thin chain lines, dimension line, etc., etc. These types of line would be covered in practicing lines. And we will also see the letters, that how a letter can be written, or how can it be um, uh, shown in an engineering drawing sheet. The third topic for laboratory work is types of scales with examples. We will see the scales and different types of scales, that is scale of chords, vernier scale, etc., etc., will be covered in this lab task. And the relevant numerical problems for scales, like we will see the reducing scale, enlarging scale, etc., etc. The fourth one, that is dimensions. We will also cover this dimensioning topic in laboratory work, that is dimensions, rules, and planning for a sheet. We will also see this topic in, and we'll cover in the lab work. This fifth one, that is construction of engineering curves. That this task, through this task, we will be able to learn that how engineering curves can be drawn. So different types of curves, that is like ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, etc., will be covered in this construction of engineering curves topic. The sixth one topic, that is draw regular polygons by using universal method with given dimensioning. So we will also cover how to construct a polygon, a regular polygon, using universal method. In this topic, that is draw a three-centered arch with given dimensions. We will also construct a three-centered arch using given dimension, and as well as four-centered arch uh, in our lab work. Besides these experiments, there are few other experiments that we will cover in our laboratory work. It will be like draw isometric views of given objects. We will see that what are the isometric views and how it can be constructed for different objects. So isometric views of a given objects will be covered in the laboratory work and experiments. The other one is that development drawing of a cube and cylinder, that how a cylinder or cube can be developed. So the development drawing would be drawn for both cube and cylinder, as well as hexagonal prism. These three topics or geometrical shapes would be developed through drawing. The second last is draw plane and cross section of septic tank. In the laboratory work, in the second last, that is uh, plane and cross section of a septic tank would be drawn, and in the final we will uh, construct a residential imaginary bungalow plan that might be 120 square yard, or it might be other dimensions. However, we will just see, and we will construct a residential bungalow plan using any dimensions. So these were the uh, course outlines for both lab and theory. Now coming towards the recommended books, the books we follow for our purpose, that is engineering drawing subject, is ND Butt geometrical drawing. You can use any latest version of this book. Paul Smith drawing for engineering. This book can also be used, as well as the third one, that is Zahid Ahmed Siddiqui Basics of Engineering Drawing second edition. You can use and study this book for the engineering drawing subject. So these are the three recommended books. If you can study from anywhere, it's free, that you are free. You can use Google, Wikipedia, or any other site for learning purpose. Thank you. I hope you got the first introduction of this subject, that is engineering drawing. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.